Hello students, today we are going to solve exercise 1D. Okay, in this exercise, let us do the first question number 2 of 1. So 22 by 7. This is an rational or irrational number. This is an rational number. Why? Because this is in P by Q form, where P is equal to 22, Q is equal to 7, which is not equals to 0. P and Q both are integer. Okay, that's why. Next is 3.1416. Okay, this is also a rational number. Why this will be a rational number? Because all terminating decimal are rational number. This is a terminating because this is terminating decimal. This is terminating decimal. Okay. Next is pi. Pi is an irrational number. Remember, though we have placed in case of mathematics, we place the value of pi as 22 by 7, but it is the nearest value of pi, not the exact value of pi. Okay, not the exact value of pi. Next is 3.142857 overhead bar. This is an non-terminating repeating decimal. This is non-terminating repeating decimal. Non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay. We have learned that all non-terminating repeating decimals are rational number. Okay. Next is 2.04004 ... This is a non-terminating non-recurring decimal. Okay, this is a non-terminating non-recurring decimal. Non-terminating non-recurring decimal. Now we know that every non-terminating non-recurring decimal is a irrational number. Okay, this is an irrational number. Next, root under 21. Root under 21. Okay, 21 is not a perfect square Okay, so therefore root under 21 will be a irrational number. Okay, next is question number 3. Find a rational number between root 2 and root 3. Root 2 is equal to 1.414 dot dot. Root 3 is equal to 1.732 dot dot. Okay, so that means between 1.414 and 1.732 we can write any decimal number that is rational, and that will be our answer. So 1.414 less than 1.5 less than 1.732, this. So therefore a rational number between root 2 and root 3 is 1.5. Okay, understood? Next is question number 4. Okay, prove that root 6 is an irrational number. Root 6 is an irrational number. Let, if possible, root 6 is rational and let its simplest form be, let its simplest form be a by b. Okay, comma, then a and b are integers having no common factor, are integers having no common factor other than 1, and b is not equals to 0. So now root 6 is equal to a by b. This implies that 6 is equal to a square by b square. Okay, this equals to 6b square is equal to a square. This implies that 6 divides a square. This implies that 6 divides a. Okay, now let a is equal to 6c for some integer, for some integer c. Okay, putting A is equal to 6C, we get 6B square is equal to 6C whole square, that is 36C square, or B square is equal to 6C square. This means 6 divides B square. This implies that 6 divides B. Okay. Thus 6 is a common factor. Thus 6 is a common factor of A and B. But this contradicts the fact that A and B have no common factor other than one, that A and B have no common factor other than 1. Okay. Up to this understood? The contradiction arises by assuming that root 6 is rational. Hence root 6 is irrational. It is proved. Okay. Next, question number 6. Prove that 4 minus root 3 is an irrational number. So, like previous, we will write if possible, let 4 minus root 3 is rational. Okay. Now 4 minus of 4 minus root 3 is equals to this is equals to root 3. Okay. Now since we assume that this is a rational number, so that means difference of two rational is rational number is rational, but that mean root 3 is rational. but this contradicts the fact that root 3 is irrational. Okay. Therefore 4 minus root 3 is irrational. Okay. Understood? Next is question number 12. Prove that 1 by root 3 is irrational. Prove that 1 by root 3 is irrational. Let us write 1 by root 3 is equals to 1 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. This is equals to 1 by 3 into root 3. Okay. Now if possible, let 1 by 3 into root 3 be rational. Then it is of the form a by b, where a and b are relatively prime integers, where a and b are relatively prime integers and b is not equals to 0 and b is not equals to 0. Okay. Now 1 by 3 into root 3 is equals to a by b, that is root 3 equals to 3a by b, which is rational. Okay. Now since this is rational, but it is being given that root 3 is irrational. This or thus we arrive at contradiction. So our supposition that that 1 by 3 root 3 is rational is wrong. Okay, hence hence 1 by root 3 is irrational. Okay, I hope you have understood this. You have understood today's lesson. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.